Hello, I'm Seema ma'am, the class teacher of class 3rd A of Pine Hall School. We are celebrating one Mahotsav to contribute to making our Mother Earth green and clean. I would like to share a few lines about my favorite plant. My favorite plant is money plant. Have you ever seen a money plant in your area? Of course, you all have seen the money plant. The money plant is a green plant with leaves that are shaped like hearts or circles. Money plants are believed to bring good luck and prosperity to homes. Money plants are easy to grow in pots or hanging baskets. They like bright, indirect sunlight and regular watering. Taking care for money plant teaches us about responsibility and how to care for living things. Thank you.